Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about green beans and sharing 10 impressive health benefits of this nutritious and delicious vegetable. But first, let's talk about what green beans are and why they're so good for you. Green beans, also known as string beans or snap beans, are a type of legume that is native to Central and South America. They are a good source of fiber, protein, and a number of other nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. They are also low in calories and have a low glycemic index, making them a good choice for those with diabetes or trying to manage their weight. Now, let's dive into the top 10 health benefits of green beans. Green beans are a good source of fiber. 1 cup of cooked green beans contains about 4 grams of fiber, which is important for digestive health and helping you feel fuller for longer. Green beans are a good source of protein. 1 cup of cooked green beans contains about 4 grams of protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues in the body. Green beans are a good source of vitamin C. 1 cup of cooked green beans contains about 44 milligrams of vitamin C, which is important for supporting immune system function and promoting collagen production. Green beans are a good source of vitamin K. 1 cup of cooked green beans contains about 121 micrograms of vitamin K, which is important for bone health and helping the blood to clot. Green beans are a good source of potassium. 1 cup of cooked green beans contains about 358 milligrams of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting muscle function. Green beans can help to regulate blood sugar levels. The low glycemic index of green beans means that they are absorbed slowly, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a good choice for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.